Okay, now after doing all the tasks, that means creating our query, creating our forms, I want to print my database. Okay, that means I want to print the student informations. Okay, so for this we have to generate a report. For this we have to generate, or we have to create a report. Now see how can we create a report. So first open your database. Okay, then go to the create options, create tab. Then from the report group, click on the report wizard option. Okay, now from here first choose the table. So our first table is student personal details table, and I am taking all the fields from here. Okay, then next is student marks table. Okay, and from here I am taking the marks fields only, because I am already taken the student roll number. So okay, so student marks, that is English, computer, then math, and then the total marks. So these are all fields that I have selected for my report, and it is to be for printing. Okay, now click on the next button. Okay, now don't make any changes here, just click on the next button, again click on the next button. Okay, and again click on the next button. Now here from the layout, that is stepped and orientation is portrait, just leave it like this, and then next button, and again next button. Here give a heading, that means your report heading. Okay, so I am giving a heading here, that is student final report. Student final report. You can give any other heading also. Okay, student final report. After that, preview the report. That means how the report look like this. Okay, so first I preview that. Finish. Okay, see, my report look like this. Student final report. This is my heading. Okay, and first is roll number, then the student name, then student address. Now see here, the phone number is not seen here clearly, and also the marks are also not seen clearly. That means we have to adjust this field. Okay, so how can I adjust this field? By using the design view. See, this is your report, that is student final report. Select, put the mouse here and click right click on the mouse and go to the design view. So this is your design view for the report. Okay, now from here choose the each headings. Okay, so I am choosing this heading and adjusting, just dragging, clicking and dragging your mouse, just adjusting my fields. Okay, click here and click one by one. Click one by one and adjust this. Okay. Just do the adjustment like this. Okay, then marks. Do it one by one. It will take some time. Okay, then the next one. This is the last one which is not shown. That is total marks, and this is your math marks. Okay. So in that way we can adjust our tables. Okay, so after doing this, just close it. Okay, now do you want to save the changes? Yes. Okay, now click on the report again. See, it will show you the report clearly. So it is shown clearly. So this is your report. Okay, this is your report. Now we can then take the printout of this report by using the print options. By using the print options like this. Where we get the print options? From this and then the print options. Okay, then the print options. Okay, so for printing you must have a printer, otherwise you can't print your report. Okay, so before printing we have to generate the report like this. Okay, so this is your end of chapter 2. In next class we will start our chapter 3. Thank you.